Yes, so country people, Arsenal 2, Newcastle United 0, and we get Oga Carl, will be like in a very evangelistic gunner fan, make it tell us about how him see the game. Oga Carl, after that disappointing result for Anfield, when Liverpool win Arsenal 4-0, Arsenal don't come back to winning waves now as they beat Newcastle United 2-0 for Emirates. Oga Carl, now how you see Arsenal performance today?
Kudos to the team, to be very, very honest, because it's not easy to just bounce back for that kind of heavy defeat. You understand that defeat na very heavy one. Although say even when we lose to Liverpool, I don't feel too
Mm.
bad because of we don't day in a 10 match unbeaten run already. So Liverpool, for me, for Liverpool man, I just lack of preparation make us lose that match. And I can't say happy say that defeat for known, affect us for
Yes.
our next game, which is game we just played today. So, a very good thing from Arsenal, and a good thing to see from that very very young Arsenal side. Say that they hungry enough to bounce back from their errors. Now very good thing, and I'm happy for the win today. Now well deserved win because they really tried. They play better football today.
All right, now, no be live. For the first half, we see say Arsenal not to play with the same tempo where they used play the second half. And we see say they get some chances where they miss. But that second half, that first goal from Bukayo Saka, Arsenal makes 16 passes before that goal. That goal and some of the things when you the things say this Ateta, Mikel Ateta team, they show some of the things when we take no Arsenal normally, the Arsenal of old.
One thing when I go comment Ateta for now, say finally we don't see say he backroom talks they get impact. See I'm not say even when we get defeat to Liverpool, even when he come out with the words of encouragement, saying a mistake we make lack of preparation, I make that kind of defeat happen. And now we see I'm say today the first half had one kind, but second half I believe say na team talk come make the team come regroup themselves, they come try do give us the result for the second half. So I believe say Ateta they do the things wey be say I don't even believe say go fit do because earlier in the season I be one of the people where they call for his sack. But right now, don't stand
Yeah.
say the guy really all the thing where they tell us say they get plan, the plan not really they come to pass. So Ateta na confirm say you know what they do now. Arsenal dey in the right direction.
All right, now, no be like Oga Carl. I want to ask you again about the new signings where Mikel Arteta don't do. We see how Aaron Ramsday performed for that game today. We don't see him they come from some of the Arsenal games this season. We see the way he perform against Leicester, the way he even perform against even Liverpool, the game when Arsenal lose 4-0 to. But we see that save where they make against Newcastle today, that shot from John Joe Chevley. Now, how you see Aaron Ramsday, Nuno Tavares, Albert Sambi Lakonga, and also Tomiyasu, these new signings, how you see their performance so far?
If you check apart from some other few players where you go call Adrian, we be say they know what they do. Those players will just corner will be new signing where Ateta have been come the squad. Now they really deliver well for the match today. If you really check them, apart from the fact say we know say Saka and a better player and Smith Rowe too,
Yes.
football did their body. But today, those signings, all of them, they even they impactful pass for the full team. Because if you say make a start to even the rate apart from Saka, for saying that Tavares, that's supposed to be man of the match because you see the way he deliver
Okay.
from the left side all throughout the game, energy na 100. The guy they go from the comeback steady. The guy get pace everything. Although say the people come criticize and say for the Liverpool match he make some errors, and I need to even comment that Teta say even despite the errors, he not still put him for bench because
Down
that
for
thing for even
bench.
still way the guy believe. If I
Morale,
see the guy
confidence.
morale one can
Mm.
yeah. But today he still start the game and he still play 90 minutes, deliver well. Give assist, deliver better. Well, not be say apart from saying the assist, the guy deliver dribble, mark, defend, attack, everything. The guy do everything. Try to bring us a kind pull out from the right left hand side as well. So the signing where Ateta don't do now I go give him if you say make a 10 over 10, I go give Ateta because most of us criticize many of the signings when the guy they bring come. Me particularly, especially Ramsdale. When they talk say the money too big for the keeper, but that money self still
Mm.
come too small for that kind keeper. They can't say what the guy don't they give us. This not be the first time we see that kind better save where the guy they deliver, especially that better shot way
Yes.
on the shell you play. But you see, and where the guy take use fingertip, take remove and put for bar. Now better save be that one. And Ramsey don't collect Leno shirt. To be very, very, very honest, I don't see Leno coming back again to take come collect shirt back for Ramsey because Ramsey now one of the top goalkeepers for Premier League at the moment. They really they perform. We don't concede very less goals for all the match. He don't keep better about 6 clean sheet already for the league. So now good thing for him too. And Arteta try for a sign. I believe anybody where the guy want decide to bring on the team and I wait we go believe say go see what because the guy know what thing they do when it comes to signing players.
All right, now not be lie. Okay, now make we enter inside the player ratings fast, Oga Carl. Make we start with Aaron Ramsdale on the scale of 1 to 10. Now wait till you go rate him.
Now good game the guy played today, clean sheet. You understand? You know easy to the clean sheet for Premiership these days. The guy don't deliver now 6 clean sheet now for the season, but this one a very very good record. But today the guy still deliver, make some kind sharp saves. The guy still command the area well, so I'll give him 8.0. The guy really know what thing they do today.
All right, now no be lie. Make we enter inside the right back. Tomiyasu. Many people don't talk say that they see saying they defend well, say they defend well. But for today game, we not only see defending from Tomiyasu, we see attacking. We see that pass when he give Gabriel Martinelli for the second goal, and he do another pass again like that. The same Tomiyasu. How you go rate Tomiyasu performance today?
Now good to say the players they learn from their mistake where they make quick maker because before people don't precise the guy not be attack, so now they defend. But right now, they don't see maybe the guy don't work on himself. Constantly say, okay, yes, the Premier League you need to defend, you still need to attack. So the guy really delivered the two today. So with an assist, now see good things, say player like that, or whatever they deliver assist for us. So I'll give him 7.5. The guy try for the game, he play better football.
Okay, now no be lie. What about Ben White? Now what you go rate him?
Ben White now still I go rate Ben White 7.4 because he deliver, they try. The guy get better footwork. Now what I like about him, footwork, the coordination, they you know they too fear, you know what thing they do. So 7.4 now go give him.
What about Gabriel? We see that battle between him and Callum Wilson for inside the game. That very physical one. Now, what do you go rate Gabriel performance today?
Callum Wilson a very very stubborn player. We see get strength. Na physical player too. And Gabriel match him well for the game. So Gabriel try well for the game. I give him 7.5. He deliver well. He know what thing they do.
Okay, now what about Nuno Tavares? Currently, the man where they keep Kieran Tierney away from this Arsenal team.
Surprisingly, the guy don't put Tierney for bench for some matches now. But I believe that Tierney go see bounce back on a very good day because they come out from injury. And I believe they don't want to rush him into the game here because Tierney has 13 weeks. I believe deliver well too. So Tavares try. Despite the error when he made last week, you know, let him wear him down. The guy deliver well today. He come play better than the previous matches. So Tavares try. I'll give him 7.8. The guy really deliver.
Okay, now no be lie. What about Sambi Lokonga? We know say for that game against Liverpool, he still get 1 or 2 errors when he make. But how you see Sambi Lokonga performance today?
You not go blame him for that Liverpool game because these are young players who just they come up now their first time to play for Premier League with high tempo. So today the guy they very very composed. He not even makes too much. He not even make any error to me. Say the guy just they compose for the midfield. They collect the ball, they distribute them the way it is a bit done. The guy really deliver well. So I give him 7.5. In try for today where in deliver.
Okay, what about Thomas Partey?
Partey not too. You know say Partey we never really see the real Partey where we sign. We don't know what thing they happen yet. Well, we believe say maybe they try to adapt to the league, but the guy never really deliver the way we want them. So I just give him 7.2 because suppose perform past the way they perform these days.
Okay, I mean Smith Rowe.
Smith Rowe try. Don't say he not get good for the game, but the guy still deliver. He try to fight the team, try to create chances too. We try to deliver a number 10 job. So I will give him 7.6 in deliver.
Okay. Martin Odegaard.
Odegaard try, but he not try as much as we because for first half the guy he lose some kind balls very well. So kind touches maybe say suppose fit return 1-2 passes, the thing not come off his shin. So I will just give him 7.4 in try, but not as much as what we expect.
What about Bukayo Saka?
Bukayo na man of the match for me today because the guy get goal even before the goal save. Even though they tried to do something for the game, and they try to press the attack, they try to shoot shot, they try to make runs. You know, they try to work on the defenders too, and they try to do 1 or 2 dribbles. Today, I'm man of my match today, so I'll give him 8.4.
Okay, what about Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang?
Aubameyang try. I'm not gonna lie, but he's supposed to give us the lead for first half. You know, all those kind of chances, they know they too miss him because if you miss him before you go come, you go hard again. So because of that chance, I could just give him 7.8. He deliver sharp, but not try as much as we expect him. That's how I go down.
Okay. What about Gabriel Martinelli and Alexander Lacazette?
Martinelli don't prove something. Say he need more playing time. You understand? They get on today for bench, but I believe Arteta they want most of the reason why all those players they did them say they don't want to rush them because if they rush them, they still go back to injury again. We go see they affect their career. So from bench, saying come from bench, can't deliver. So now me say the guy they hungry for the game, they hungry to score and they hungry
Yes,
to improve on himself. So I will just give him 7.7. The guy try for the game with 1 goal. He try with little time when he get to deliver 1 goal, so he try.
Alexander Lacazette and Mohamed Elneny, what you go read the 12 of them?
And then he come very late, so just give him maybe 6.0 because he had not to do plenty for the game. But for Lacazette, he just comes to arrange again, do the same thing. But
I think say this 2-0 win against Newcastle United will be morale booster for the Arsenal side.
Of course. One thing when I don't see about the Arsenal side, they say they know when they lose game like this, they pain them. They feel them for body. They want impress for the next game. So the Man U game now good. Now the result today now very good boost for them to take follow up for the Man U game. And they see say maybe we go to get result for that game now 100%. We go get result against Manchester United, especially now we see they never too settle. They never happen to. They see they try to balance their technique, their technical crew and everything. So I believe say that one go give Arsenal more hands to win the game against Man U next week.
Okay, now before I go let you go, Carl. Currently, Arsenal did 23 points with West Ham United. West Ham will play Manchester City tomorrow. We know so that one will be a tough game. With the way this Arsenal team they play after that bad start where they get. Now, how high you think say Arsenal will finish this season?
Top 4 is very, very possible for Arsenal, especially because we get advantages. We know they play European games, so we get enough time to prepare for any kind of match you want to play week in, week out. So I believe the top 4 is very, very possible. If at least our top players not get any long-term injuries, and if this momentum they just keep the same momentum where they deliver for matches so every week, top 4 is very possible. I see Arsenal finishing above Manchester United. I see us finishing even 3rd place this season. I see I'm saying they very, very possible. Yes,
no, very confident one. Oh. All right, now, Gaka, thank you for your time. We hope say you are not the rest of Bungelistic Arsenal fan. Then we're going to use this 3 points and this victory to enjoy the rest of our weekend. Thank you so much.